nakaka-artista naman to. JP, salamat sa pagsundo. JP, thank you. Laki naman ng sakyan.
Oh my God, sundo pa tayo ni JP.
JP, thank you ah.
You're welcome. Like, di ba kasi sabi daw
Hindi.
Yes,
Babe, you're sweating very much.
Wow! What did you get?
I
Gotcha reveal.
Samsung Galaxy Flip 6.
Sana all!
My favorite phone.
Taray! Hi, Adi! Anong nakuha mong phone?
I got a Leo.
Wow! Anong...
Nag-charge na.
Guys, naka-flip na siya!
flip.
Oh, set up. Super sipag niya.
Parang gusto na ng Wolfgang.
Wolfgang? Yes! We're using the Galaxy Z Flip 6.
The love of our artists and all things to Samsung once again. Alright. Ready to please post your best moments from tonight's
Right, so you just need to tap it up. Wala na!
DGC! Put your hands together and give it up for DJ Apollo Lara!
Ina! I'm with... Introduce
John.
your name.
My name is John Chong. I'm from DLS.
He's from DLSU. Classmates nila. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Leah.
And we're kinda lost. And actually with
We're lost
Jan.
talaga. We're not kind of lost.
The reason why we're lost right now, it's because of her.
Want a picture? Oh my God.
Someone took a photo of her.
Yeah.
Grabe. She's talking to strangers, guys. Don't do that, okay?
Mother told me.
Guys, so I just finished taking a shower and please don't mind yung mga pimple thingy ko dyan. So ayun, good morning na pala because I think it's already 2 a.m. I just finished taking a shower and if you can tell, I'm really tired. I look so tired and exhausted. ubos yung social battery ko. Kasi, guys, sa Galaxy Campus, we're like 100 student ambassadors. Well, kanina we're just, I think 80? Not sure. Basta, ayun. And, hindi naman sa akin nausap ko silang lahat. Kasi, who can do that, diba? Pero, ayun, super eventful ng araw na to. I got to meet Beanie. Kaya, and I think that's one reason then kung bakit parang pawalan ako ng boses. Kasi, like, parang I was shouting the whole time when they were performing. And they're so good talaga. They're so great. I'm so amazed. And I'm really thankful for Samsung din pala. Because yesterday pala, kasi umaga na, I got to experience Galaxy Z Flip 6. And guys, I'll tell you what, the phone itself is already an experience. So, really looking forward to create content using that phone and take videos, photos, just so I can memory dump. You know me, I take videos all the time. If you're my friend, you know that. So, ayun, I'll update you tomorrow. Really sorry for the low quality video or for this particular clip. Patay na yung lights. I'm just using this cloud lamp. And ayun. Good night, guys. I hope you had a great day today. Hey guys, what's up? It's Gian. And for today, I'm going to Makati because I'm going to visit a friend there. And I just finished preparing. Dito na yung lahat ng gamit ko that I'll be needing there. So, it's just the Beyond the Vines bag in color green. And what I like about this bag, it's reversible. So, ever na I like it parang grayish blue, I'll just parang flip it and okay na. I have a new bag. So, I'm planning to get another one in different colorway. Actually, kailangan ko na umalis. So, tara.